G'day everybody, Strummin Steve here. Beautiful, cruisy, laid-back song today, Four Strong Winds. Written by Ian Tyson back in '62. Had lots of covers, this song. In an interview, he said he only wrote it in 20 minutes. So there you go, quite an amazing feat to write a beautiful song like this in 20 minutes. Lots of covers. Neil Young did a particularly good cover in '78. So I hope you enjoy it. Called Four Strong Winds. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times have all gone, then I'm bound for moving on, and I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. If I get there for the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it will be winter, not so much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way down there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times have all gone, then I'm bound for moving on, and I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times have all gone, then I'm bound for moving on, and I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Yeah, there you go. Cruisy song. Put you to sleep, that one, hey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next one.